If you're a complete beginner coming back to the guitar, or you just want to sharpen your skills, head to the Skill Builder section. E major shape, shape 1 in the key of G. All right, here we go. 2, ready, go. E major shape, shape 1 in the key of G. Okay, I promise the theory will all make sense as we go forward. For right now, no, I'm laying a bunch of stuff for you guys later that will really pay off. But we're going to focus on the skills and the drills first. So we're going to be very left hand centric, just like the other one. Phase 1, as we learn this, don't worry too much about our right hand. Get your scale up under you. Should be slow, don't worry about the metronome. Should look like, ready, go. You get the gist. If you're making some mistakes, don't worry. It just takes a second to get that left hand over. So phase 2 should look like, our left hand feels comfortable. Maybe we're playing with a metronome a little bit, feeling mostly okay. We're going to get, guess what? Right hand focused. I can't preach it enough. We are really focusing on our alternate picking here with our major scales. These are the first times we're really having to implement it. So it's going to feel clunky. It's going to feel hard. The more patient you can be with it and give it the proper time that it needs to start learning, if you go down, you must go up. The better it's going to pay off. I promise you, it's massive, and it really helps the whole cohesion from left to right to your brain, the 3 points of contact. So phase 2 should look like bringing in our right hand and making sure we're alternate picking right. I'm not super worried about the metronome early phase 2. Should look like, ready, go, down, down, up, down, up, up. Okay, I know, I promise that will feel difficult and it will take some time. Be patient with it. It will really help pay off. Phase 3, left feels good, right feels good, brain feels connected. Metronome, you got your foundation, and we're starting to work towards a goal that feels fantastic. Okay? This one's fantastic, but I also promise it can be pretty tough. But it's something that really changed my life, and I know really affects a bunch of other people. And that's the sensation that we go through cycles where we just have to push a little bit. Things feel not great. We're not as excited. They can sometimes feel very repetitive or even mundane. But we stay steady. Consistent is key. Clarity is next, and then as much presence as we can. Now, we're not trying to break down walls and barriers during this phase or we can get agitated. We're just trying to stay steady. It can last a few days, a week, sometimes even multiple weeks. But those push sections are where the magic happens. They are what lead to the pull. If in those times you're feeling a little bit lackluster or unmotivated and you don't stay consistent, when you get inspired or to that pull, you won't have built the skills up that you need for that pull. When life just drags you along, when you get taken out of bed and you're excited because you're seeing the growth, you're seeing the abilities and the skills, you're playing some songs now, you're even playing some lead. Guess what? You're in a pull phase, and those pull phases are awesome. But we have to remember there is an ebb and flow to it. And even where I'm at and where most are at, it still is a thing. You get in those push phases and you just go, okay, I just got to kind of lock in for this window because I want to feel that pull again. So from push to pull, that cycle is vital. And don't worry when you're in a push phase, just stay simple, follow the plans, stay consistent as best you can. And I promise it will create those pull phases and that momentum to get you going forward. Hey, you made it this far, and that is absolutely awesome. That means that you truly care about learning and understanding. That's why I built FretRepz for you. It offers clarity, tracks progress, and turns drills into real skills. No more wasted time, no more guessing. Head to the link below or go to FretRepz.com and give it a try. Also, if you found this information helpful, please subscribe and ring that notification bell because we got plenty more coming. FretRepz. Practice smarter, play better.